Elephant's Ears. Written by Grace Webster. Illustrated by Emily Golden.
Elephant had gigantic ears that flipped and flopped over his eyes. But he was too scared to visit the ear dressers. Goose tied his ears up with a pink ribbon, but that was too girly. Chimp made him a hat out of bananas, but that was too sticky. Snail gave him his shell, but that was too small and fell off. So he had to be brave and visit the ear dressers with his mummy. Now he loves the ear dressers and goes there all the time. Everyone says he has the best ear style of all.